I've been waiting on this package for about a week, and finally it's a package for me and not for Cobe. DHL couldn't figure out my address, but now that we have it all figured out, zip into this bad boy. Okay, obviously that didn't work. Knife to the rescue. Four. These are sunglasses and I think regular glasses by Sojos. So we have 4 pairs in here. I'm super excited. Super excited. Check these out. First one. Oh, it's a cute packaging. And it does come with an eyeglass cleaner too, which is great. Oh, these are interesting. This is definitely not a style that I would pick for myself.
Oh, they're a good size.
But they fit well.
Yeah, they're a very good size.
Yeah. So that's pair number 1. Oh, it's like a bigger version of the same ones.
And these are the clear blue blocking lenses.
So that's no headaches, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can be on the computer or your phone all day.
Which is great. They seem to fit well too.
Yeah, they're a good size.
They're a good size. I didn't give them any measurements on my face, so that's actually really impressive that they fit so well. Yeah. Ooh, these are the ones I was actually really excited about because I wanted these for when I bike. Oh, these are awesome.
Oh, they're cool.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, they're so clear. That's nice. Do you like them more? Because when we picked them, you weren't a big fan of them.
I like them.
Yeah.
I was worried they might be a bit big, but they're a good size.
They're a good size. And this is the second pair that I picked. Oh, these are cute too.
Oh yeah, those are a little more classic.
Yeah, they're very blue. Everything I see is blue. First impressions, guys, these are freaking awesome. And I love that you can get them on Amazon for a really good price.